Hey everyone, I found a cat loose. I don't know whose owner it is. It doesn't have a color or nothing, but I found it. It's right here. Oh crap, I left the spot. It's in the morning though. I've been sleeping in the morning. Like, where did it go? What the what? First, it just went back here. It disappeared. Very sneaky. But I'm pretty sure it came. It's over here. From here. Hold up. If I can, it comes from here. From underground in our house. But yeah, like I wanted to show y'all. Like I wasn't thinking that to record, but now I just did. So I'll record next video if I see it. Bye.